In December 2016, Bill Gates warned President Donald Trump about the threat posed to the U.S. by pandemics, The Wall Street Journal reported on Monday.
During a meeting at Trump Tower with the then president-elect, Gates discussed the dangers of infectious diseases and urged Trump to prioritize the country's preparedness efforts, advice he personally gave to other 2016 presidential candidates as well, according to the journal.
Gates' pitch for more public health investment wasn't a new one by that point. During a 2015 TED Talk, Gates said viruses pose the greatest risk of global catastrophe, relative to other threats.
If anything kills over 10 million people over the next few decades, it's most likely to be a highly infectious virus rather than a war. Not missiles, but microbes, Gates said during the talk, adding that countries have spent massive amounts of money on avoiding nuclear war but hardly anything on systems to stop epidemics.
Despite his push with the public and officials, Gates told the journal, "I wish I had done more to call attention to the danger."
The philanthropist and Microsoft co-founders charity organization, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, has committed more than $300 million to coronavirus relief efforts.
Gates wasn't alone in his fears about infectious diseases. Public health officials, the U.S. intelligence community, and officials from the outgoing Obama administration all tried to call attention to the threat.
Trump has faced sharp criticism for the steps he took before the coronavirus pandemic hit, including slashing funding to agencies and government programs responsible for detecting and responding to epidemics and ignoring multiple warnings of an outbreak. Critics have also said he publicly downplayed the threat of COVID-19, even after it had spread widely in the U.S., and botched the country's early response.
The U.S. has become the center of the pandemic, with more than 1.3 million confirmed cases and nearly 80,000 deaths.